Surely the believers are only those who, when Allah is mentioned, their hearts become fearful. And when His verses of the Quran, the verses of His book are recited to them, it increases in faith, and upon their Lord they are trusting. Upon their Lord they are rely upon. So that's words of the Quran in Surah Al-Anfal, verse number 2, that surely the believers are those, when Allah is mentioned, their heart become fearful. Ano ibig sabihin ito na katotohanan yung mga pananampalataya na kung may banggit sila na yung Allah, yung puso nila maging takot sa Allah. Yung puso nila maging takot sa Allah. Yan na yung sign ng pananampalataya. So that's a very important thing, that when you are doing wrong and somebody say, magtakot ka sa Allah. Oh, so you will not do wrong because you are fear Allah. But kung kahit na sabi nila sa iyo, huwag ka madaya, huwag ka gawa ng masama, magtakot ka sa Diyos. Kung wala ka nang nangyari, you are not a believer dahil wala ka nang takot ng Diyos. Okay, so the true believer, kung marinig siya or makinig siya o banggit yung pangalan ng Diyos, magtakot sila. Okay, so remember this, yung tunay na pananampalataya, lagi siya takot sa Diyos at mahal sa Diyos. Dahil, ano sabi ng Allah? وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. And when the verses of His book recited upon him, dagdag yung pananampalataya niya. وَعَلَىٰ رَبِّهِمْ يَتَوَكَّلُونَ. And upon their Lord, they are rely upon. Trust nila na yung Panginoon nila. Okay, si Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, yung isang Diyos na tunay na Diyos, lahat tayo nang rely upon sa Kanya. We all trust upon Him. So when you read the Quran, it always makes you increase of your iman. That is the believer side. And when you hear the name of Allah, your heart should fear of Allah. And if you are true believers, then you should trust upon Allah. You should tawakkal upon Allah. Tawakkal ala Allah. In this one verse, there are three kinds of mentioning here. The one mentioned here, the true believers, they always fear Allah when they hear about Allah. And the true believers, when they hear the verses of Allah, the verses of the book, they increase their iman. And the number 3, the true believers are always rely upon Allah. They always trust upon Allah. So this is very good, beautiful words. You can note it down, Surah Al-Anfal and the verse number 2.